So this is a TP-Link Deco AXE5400 wireless mesh system. In this video, we're going to be unboxing this product, and we're also going to be installing it and configuring it. And I'm going to be sharing with you some really cool features that this wireless mesh system has to offer. In interest of full disclosure, this wireless mesh system was sent out to me free of charge by TP-Link. All of the thoughts and opinions in this video are of my own. We have the two Deco units, two AC adapters, and we have an Ethernet cable here along with a quick installation guide. So the one thing I might add is that this does have a 2.5 gigabits per second port on here. So what that's going to allow you to do is that you can actually use this more than just a wireless access point. This can actually do routing. So this could be a wireless router combination. So what you can do is you could take your modem, if you have faster than gigabit speeds, let's say you have a 2 gigabit per second speed internet connection, you can plug your modem into this and get the full throughput for your internet. Download the TP-Link Deco app for the iOS or Android. The app will walk you through the setup. So right here is the TP-Link Deco app. I'm going to hit install. I finished installing. I'm going to hit open. Continue. Now I'm going to have to set up my account. Alright, so I finished the activation. I logged in and it says let's begin. Select your Deco. So this one is the XE75 Pro. So what I'm going to do is get all this set up, and I'm going to meet you at the specific location in my house where we're going to set up the Deco. Alright, so for me, the app wanted me to disconnect my old router and go through the whole set of processes to power everything down and replace my old router. But what I'm going to be using this for is a little bit different. So I just wanted to further explain why I'm going about using the Deco the way I'm using it. Is because I actually have each and every room, including the living room, it has its own dedicated Category 6 network cable drop in each room, like a port in each room where you could plug Ethernet cables into. So I have to have those Ethernet cables terminate back down here where they all connect to this old wireless router that I have. So this has to be here. So because I'm not going to be getting the best wireless reception out of my old wireless router because it's in the basement and it's inside the cabinet, I'm actually going to be disabling the wireless on this, and I'm going to be using the two Decos that I have in wireless mode, in wireless access point mode, instead of the recommended router mode, because I already have this router here routing traffic. You don't want to have two routers on the same network routing traffic. You only want to have one. So that's why I'm going to have this do all the routing, and I'm going to have the two Deco wireless mesh system devices acting as wireless access points, aka wireless access point mode. So I'm going to connect this here to show you, because we have the 3 ports on the back. I'm going to use this 2.5 gigabit port here as the uplink. So I have a network port, which is also called the drop, behind this TV that allows me to plug the TV directly into the wall. So instead of doing that, I'm going to plug the Deco into the wall, and I'm going to use the included cable that came with it. Now I'm going to take the cable that was plugged into the TV, which is right here, and I'm going to plug it into one of the ports on the back of it. And that'll allow the TV to remain wired, and that's one of the really cool features about this Deco. And the other thing too is, to the right of this Deco, you'll see that I have a little mini computer here that I like to use to hook up to the TV from time to time. Not only can I connect my TV hardwired, I can also connect the computer as well to the third port. So I'm going to go ahead and plug into the back of this computer. And now the back of the computer is plugged in. Now I just take and I plug it into the third port here. So I really do like the versatility of this Deco, because not only does this allow LAN connectivity, but now this will also serve all of your wireless devices in the vicinity. So I'm going to have a nice, really strong wireless connection in the living room, while also maintaining my wired devices. Again, I'm going to plug in the power in the back here. So the Deco 6E was solid yellow. It's now blinking blue. It says here, solid yellow, Deco is starting up, please wait. Now that it's pulsing blue, the Deco is ready for setup. So now I'm going to click the yellow button. Deco's LED is pulsing blue. Looking for Deco. Connection successful. Connected to Deco. Okay, where have you placed this Deco? For me, it's going to be the living room. Next. Create your Wi-Fi network. Network name. So what I did was I actually entered in the same network name and password of the previous wireless system that I used, so that all of my devices, all of my wireless devices automatically connected to this new wireless system. So now, what I'm going to do is, because I don't want this Deco unit routing, remember I'm going to be using this as an access point only. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Advanced. If I click Operation Mode, it says here, Wi-Fi router recommended. And for most of the people watching this video, this isn't going to apply to you because you probably want this unit to do routing. So you would leave this as it is, but because I want to use the router in the basement to route traffic, I'm going to set this Deco to access point only. So this will only serve as a wireless access point for my devices. So now it's going to go through and reboot the Deco. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up the second Deco that I have to be the same thing, only on the other side of the house. So I'm going to get full coverage all throughout the house. So we want to add a second Deco. So we're going to go in here, hit the plus sign, go to Decos, and we're going to select the XE75 Pro again. One floor next. Okay, so I'm going to get this set up. Take the Ethernet cable, plug it in. Plug it into the drop in the wall for me. Plug in the power. So now it's pulsing blue. So we're going to click this button here. So the second Deco showed up. You click on it. And then I go up here to settings. And we're going to make it the main bedroom. Save. Even though that the Deco is set up, I still don't get the full bars. And I don't think that's a issue with the system. I think I just have to enable fast roaming. Now it can switch seamlessly between Decos. So right here you can see each individual device that is connected to the TP-Link wireless mesh system. And if there is any one specific device that is using up all of your internet bandwidth, you can absolutely find that out here. When you're trying to get work done, or if you're trying to game and you want to find out why your internet speed is so slow, you could simply find out. Let's say, for example, the Levoit purifier was an actual computer and someone was downloading or uploading through the internet. You would see a huge spike in the download and or upload speed. What I thought was interesting was that this is an older laptop. This is probably pushing like 3 or 4 years old. The wireless card isn't the best on it. But because it didn't have a strong wireless card in it, it actually connected more easily to the closer Deco. If we were to take a look at all of the connected devices, this is that laptop right here. You can click on that laptop device. And on the upper right hand corner, you'll see a gear. If you click that gear, it'll actually tell you which Deco it's connected to. So right here, you'll see that it's connected to the linked Deco in the main bedroom. So another neat feature too, if you go back into that same laptop device, right here, and we go up into the gear settings icon, you'll see right here it says mesh technology. So, for example, if I want to keep this laptop in this main bedroom and I don't want to move it anywhere, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the mesh technology. And what that's going to do is keep that laptop connected to this specific Deco. So if there ever comes a time where I need to plug in additional devices via Ethernet, I have 2 extra ports on the back. So if I wanted to plug this laptop into this unit to hardwire, I can certainly do so. So the versatility with these Decos are amazing.